Good evening, everybody. How y'all doing? Hope you are well out there in the world. So what am I doing? I'm sitting here. I need a haircut. Maybe you can't even get your haircut at the moment. Anyway, guys, I wanted to check in with you all. I didn't get a chance to carpool coach earlier today, but I wanted to take a minute and just check in with you all because today I had to go out run a few errands. Just closing a storage shed, clearing a few things out. Don't worry, I was practicing safe social distancing and all that good stuff. But, it's interesting going out there in the world at the moment because, we're all at home. I'm here spending a bit of time playing my drums. That's right, I'm a drummer. I play drums. But one of the things I wanted to talk to you guys about is, if you want to get change, and like right now, a lot of people are in this lockdown, right? And when you go outside, the energy right now is like dead skis everywhere, like nothing going on. The vibe is low and fearful. This morning, I had a virtual call with one of the masterminds I'm involved with, a bunch of businessmen here on the Gold Coast that we are all part of. Everybody in the group is doing over $1 million a year in their business. The average is probably quite a bit higher than that. But just one sec. And we checked in with each other just to see, how everybody's doing, and it's affecting everybody differently. But my message to you guys here watching this tonight is this. If you want to create needle-moving change in your life, you need to get aggressive about it. And too many people are passive about things. They're passive about their future. And right now is a terrific opportunity to get aggressive about change. Some people sit in shock of what's going on and they're like this. And some people are just overwhelmed. They put their head in the sand. But the people that are going to get through this, the ones that are sitting down and taking charge of their life, going, I am going to fucking do this. I am going to use this time. I'm going to get myself around new people. I'm going to leave behind the old way of living pre-corona. This can be a linear mark in your life. I think what's going to happen in the next few weeks is people are going to start to realize, oh shit, this is the new normal, right? This quiet vibe, empty streets, working from home. We're going to start to Zoom each other. Like two of my best friends, my business partner on a property that we own together, just called me, with his wife. They were at the dinner table, just FaceTimed me and said, hey, we felt like somebody for dinner to join us. This is going to become the new normal soon because we're in this for a few months, guys. You've got to get aggressive about change and saying, and you need to attack it, right? Not just like passively think things are going to change. You need to aggressively make shit happen. And I don't mean angry aggressive. I mean, make shit happen. Like our mastermind that I have once a month, first Monday of every month, we meet at a local coffee shop here on the Gold Coast. We can't do that. So we made it happen. And the format this morning was, what's your biggest high, what's your biggest low, and what's your biggest learnings from the last month of what's been going through. And we sat there as all of us, there's about 8 of us on the call this morning, went through. And then we were sending texts to each other with the guys that need a bit of help. Do you need any help? Do you need any money? Do you need any whatever you need? Because these are all successful guys that we've built relationships with over time. The camaraderie was amazing. But we are all super proactive because we're all experienced in business. So I just want to get this message out to you to remind you, snap into gear, guys. Don't fucking let this low energy vibe creep into you. Don't let the other thing I've noticed right now, and I don't know what it is, but I go on Facebook and every person is on a conspiracy theory. Like, what the fuck is this all about? Like, guys, if you want to do something about the world, go and make it happen. Don't sit there worrying about things that you can't change or can't control. Everyone's on to Bill Gates that he's behind some massive conspiracy, or that 5G is going to kill us, or that your coronavirus was invented by some bloody agenda, right? Can you really afford to be, you know, spending your days scrolling through? Like, guys, the amount of information that you will touch in your day, like if you're sitting there and you're out there and you're reading this stuff, you might read 25 articles or 50 articles, all these people that have opinions about all this crazy stuff. If you really, really, really dig, you'll probably find not many of them have read more than 20 or 30 articles, yet they have these massive opinions and aggressive positions on stuff they can't control. So guys, my advice to you right now, fill your head with good shit. Get yourself out with a pen and a paper here, right? Working your journal, right? I've got my journal here. I've got my computer here. I've been working away, right? Working away like anybody else here at 7:20 at night, doing spreadsheets, checking in with my CEOs. What are our numbers? What are we doing? How can we smash it in this time? So if you want change, now is a wonderful time to say, remember that coronavirus? Well, that was the time that I decided to take my life to the next level and aggressively go after that next level, guys. Don't fuck around. Don't sit around waiting for it to happen. Go hard and make it happen. Go hard and make it happen. Start your goals. Start listening to positive stuff. Start saying, I am going to make this an epic time for me, and I'm going to keep asking questions, the right questions, until I get the results, the answers that I'm looking for. So guys, that's what we got to do. We got to get out there and get at it. All right. Make decisions, guys. Don't sit on your hands. Right now, I'm making decisions all over the place. I'm all in on my software companies. I'm pushing hard. I'm working on the kids program. I am like going, how can I serve people? What do people need? How can I serve people? Whereas most people are not thinking that way. They're thinking reductive. They're thinking small. They're thinking preservation. If you Google right now how to thrive in a depression or a recession, you will find articles on companies and people that thrived in hard times. And I'll tell you what they didn't do. They didn't go full regression. They found this middle road and they went hard on the right things. So just wanted to drop in here tonight, guys, and give you a voice of positivity and belief that you can do this. You can make it. And I might take a quick question. I can see here that Lenny180 says, you've requested to be in the live video. I'll see if you want to come on and ask me a question. If you want to come and join us, feel free to ask a question. I've only done this a few times. It's kind of cool. What's up? I think we got Lenny in the bath there. That was interesting. There you go. All right, guys, just remember, step up, make it happen. If you are going to be successful, there's only one person that's going to make that happen, and that's going to be you. All right? So back you, remember you. Don't let that down energy creep in. Just get to work. Get to work. Pen, paper, laptop, phone. That's all you need in this world right now. There are a lot of problems waiting to be solved by people with passion. Get after it. I'll talk to you more in the next few days or tomorrow. All right, guys. Bye. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get all of our great videos as they come out. Thanks for watching, guys.